be showing you how to tie-dye in two ways, one with acrylic paint and other with bleach. Let's start with the first method. First, you'll need any type of clothing. Today I'm going to be using a sock. Then you'll be needing some acrylic paint, some water, and a squeezy bottle, but you could also take a plastic water bottle and punch a hole at the top. But since I didn't have any of those things, I'm going to be using yes, that's right, a water bottle. I also forgot that you'll be needing some rubber bands too. First things first, protection. Make sure to protect your surface while doing this project. I'm going to be using this gold piece of paper that I have laying around. The first step is to wet the clothing that you're going to tie-dye. Make sure to squeeze out all that excess water. Now let's make our dye. In your bottle, add in about a tablespoon of water. Then add in half a tablespoon of acrylic paint in your choice of color. I'm going to be using yellow. Shake it so that it gets well incorporated. If you're using a pair of socks like me, take one sock and scrunch it up. And secure it with some rubber bands like so. Now that we have everything prepared, let's start. First, let me spread out this sheet. Ugh, this is gonna take a while. Okay, after an eternity of spreading that sheet, let's finally begin. On two sections of your sock, start applying the dye. If you have any dye left over, you can put it in a little bottle so that you can do more tie-dye projects in the future. I had some pink dye left over from the last sock I made, so I used that for the remaining sections. Let it sit for about 15 minutes before removing the rubber bands. After 15 minutes, take off the rubber bands. Wow, they came out really nice. Let them dry completely before wearing them. And here are the finished socks. They look really cute, and the other one I did make it off camera, so here's how they both look together. And the first one I made is a little bit more vibrant than the other one, but they still look really cute together. Now for method 2. The first thing that you'll be needing is a piece of clothing, a fork, we'll see why later, rubber bands, and an empty spray bottle, and last but not least, bleach. Start by again damping the cloth that you're going to be using. I'm going to be using leggings for this project. Take your fork and on one end of the leggings start twisting it. But you could also start in the middle over here. Once you've made the spiral as big as you like, secure it with a rubber band. Repeat the same process to the whole pair of leggings. Once you're done, it should look something like this. Now let's make our bleach mixture. First things first, protection. Take your empty spray bottle and add the bleach in. Then add equal amounts of water. I just eyeballed it. Start spraying your leggings with the bleach. Spray it on one side, then flip it over, then spray the other side. Let it sit for around 5 minutes. Then spray it with some more bleach. This just speeds up the bleaching process. I had to bring it inside because it started to rain outside. After letting it sit in my bathtub for around 10 minutes, rinse it with cold water and remove the rubber bands. Then I hand washed the leggings using some water and some liquid detergent, or you could just put it in the washing machine. Let it dry completely. And here are the finished leggings. They came out really nice. The design is very interesting and they look really, really cute. And that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video.